Financial history doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. From the steam engines of the 19th century to the fiber optic cables of the new millennium, the story of human ambition and human overreach remains remarkably consistent. Welcome to this crash course. Over the next 3 sessions, we aren't just looking at charts. We're dissecting the DNA of the world's most significant new era speculative manias to understand why smart investors such as yourself sometimes fall into similar traps. For this crash course, we've curated 3 essential deep dives for you. First, the 1845 Railway Mania. Before big tech, there was big rail. We'll see how the UK became obsessed with a hot new technology, leading to thousands of miles of redundant track and spectacular wealth destruction. Second, the Great Crash of 1929. This isn't just a story of a bad day on Wall Street. We analyze the decade of excess that preceded it, and the structural failures that turned a market crash into a global calamity. And third, the 2000 dot-com bust. We look at the dawn of the internet era, where clicks were valued more than cash flow. We examine how the promise of a new era led to the largest destruction of equity value in a generation. So who should take this crash course? If you are an individual investor, these videos are your roadmap for identifying the warning signs of present-day froth. By the end of these 3 videos, you won't just know the dates and the figures, you'll understand the mechanics of a crash, and why the new era narrative comes back every generation or 2. And to truly verify your knowledge after this crash course, we've included a comprehensive quiz at the end. It's designed to test your ability to compare these 3 new era disasters so that you can identify common threads, and hopefully avoid the next one. Welcome and enjoy.